Lodholt with Agent on Realty, and today Mama Liz says, let's look at paragraph 8 of the contract of sale. Now I'm talking about the South Carolina Association of Realtors contract that they have out, that the majority of agents across the state do use. Now paragraph 8 has to do with loan processing and application. And in paragraph 8, it says that the buyer will make their loan application within so many days, and that they will get a certain percentage loan, 80%, 90%, whatever. Those are all fine. And then it says that the buyer, I'm going to read so that I don't make a mistake, and the buyer shall provide the seller with written satisfactory loan approval within blank days, how many ever days, consecutive days that contain no credit, income, or asset conditions, unless otherwise set forth in this contract. Time is of the essence. Now, folks, I know that we all know that you're not going to get a mortgage approval with no asset, income, or other conditions until closing. I mean, how many times have you gotten 100% loan approval until closing? Almost always, not always, but almost always, you're going to get the loan is approved. You need to remember to ask that loan officer, subject to what? Mr. or Mrs. Loan Officer, the loan is approved subject to what? What kind of conditions do we have on this approval? Because I will wager with you that there are some conditions. Normally they do a final credit report, or there's something. They got to verify something. So this paragraph is not a good paragraph. If you put in there that the buyer is going to give the seller a loan approval within 15 days that contains no asset, income, or other conditions, that's just not going to happen in 99.9% of the time. So be careful about this paragraph. I do have some suggestions as to how that can be corrected. There are several ways. One, you could stick in there that they will get loan pre-approval, and then it doesn't matter what number of days you put in there. Or you can put in at closing and put the closing date in there, because in all honesty, you're not going to get it until closing. Now, I hope this will help sellers out there to understand that even though a contract says that buyer is going to give you the loan approval, they're probably not going to be able to do it. So I caution all of you realtors out there to watch out for this. Mama Liz says, be careful.